Hello, my art students. I wanted to show you how to actually build your website. So this is a brand new website that I am building, and I can tell that I am in the builder because you can see that this is the web address. So you can tell that I'm building it there. So what you're going to do is you're going to probably first you're going to add an artist statement to your home page. I can tell I'm on the home page because that's the one that's highlighted, the tab that's highlighted. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to select whatever I want. I can play with all of these little features. Just for purposes to be quick, I'm going to go ahead and drag up a title. And then here I'm going to write Patricia's artist bio, or I could do artist statement. Either one works. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag here till I see that blue line. I'm going to drop that. And then here I can go ahead and write my artist statement here. Your artist statement should be approximately anywhere from a paragraph to about 4 paragraphs long. You don't want it to be a novel, but you do want it to be able to describe who you are as an artist statement. So that's probably what you're going to have at the very beginning of your website. The next thing that you're going to have is you have a couple choices now. You can continue this whole process of adding your portfolio of artwork on your home page, or you could go ahead and navigate to a different tab and complete the process of making like a new tab for your gallery. Okay, so whatever you really want. But here's the basics. I'm going to show you the bare minimum, and that way you can decide if you want to jazz it up a little bit. So what you're going to do to add one of your photographs of your artwork and to add your description for each artwork is you're probably going to choose an image and text tab that you see here. So I click that and I drag it up. I see the blue line, I drop it. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to first add my image so I know which artwork I'm talking about here. I'm going to upload the image from my computer. I'm going to switch my view so I can see my pictures. And just for our purposes, we are going to pretend that this is my artwork. It's not my artwork. It's one of my former students' artworks when they were doing it. And it uploads. I can decide to zoom in if I really wanted to, or zoom out. Okay? And then here is where on the text I'm just going to go ahead and describe what I want to about the project. So I'm going to describe the project. Your description should be at least 3 or more sentences. Okay? You want to talk about the process. You want to talk about the medium, which is the material that you used, and what compelled you to create it. Okay? You're not going to write exactly these words that I just wrote down, but you're going to write down your process, why you did it, and the medium that you used, and how it relates to your portfolio. So that's really what you should be doing for your stuff. And whether you are doing the printmaking assignment or you're doing the assignment where you're making the portfolio in Art 4, you're going to do either direction. You're just going to keep repeating this process. If you're doing the printmaking assignment, I want to see at least 5 images of your artworks to represent your prints that you've done, the 5 different types of prints, or I want to see the number of projects that are required for Art 4, even AP Art as well. Okay? So you're going to continue this over and over and over until you've satisfied everything that you need to. So you just excuse me, keep grabbing your image. Keep grabbing the image and text option. If you want to include details of that image, because some of you are photographing your process, you're going to go ahead and click image and you're going to drag that up. Okay? And you can play around with the rest of these. So let's pretend that you finished and you're done and you want to just check it out to see what it would look like for somebody to navigate. So we're going to take a look at what it would look like. We're going to do a preview by clicking the preview button. And this is what the world would see right away. Okay? But let's say that's not what you want to do. Okay, we're going to close that. We are done. We are ready to publish everything that we have, so we're going to go ahead and press done. Check that you're not a robot. So you're going to check that you're not a robot. Sometimes it gets a little wonky and you have to press that publish button or that done button a couple times. And then when you know that you're published, what you're going to see is, congratulations, you have successfully published your website. Your changes will now be live on your site in a few minutes. And then this is the website link. This link that you see here, http://pfarrell-levange.webs.com/ is the link of your active website. That's what I would like for you to send to me for your assignment. Okay, that way I can access it. If you don't see this whole little message, then you haven't done anything, and nothing is published and nothing is public. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now we're going to go ahead and close everything out. You are done. You're finished. You are walking away from the computer. It's a couple days have passed. You're ready to go back and update your website. So after you log in, what you're going to see is usually something like this. And when you log in and you see this, you're going to go ahead and go to Builder. And when you click Go to Builder, it takes you exactly back to your website. And now you can go ahead and you can start adding to it again. Because some of you will be doing this in increments through class periods, at home on the weekend, after school, and you can do this anywhere you want. Okay? The goal for the portfolio is ultimately to get you to be successful, to get you to be showcased as a professional artist, and to also have a collection of your artwork that you have produced. You'll see your growth, you'll see your development, you will see your progress, and it will be a collection of your artwork to share with anybody whenever you have an opportunity to. Okay? If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you guys along. Have a great and fantastic day.